This happened to me, and I didn't want to let this happen to anyone else, so I brought this change. Hello everyone, my name is Vikram Saini and I'm a cybersecurity warrior. Started my career from the scratch and nowadays I'm helping others to get into cybersecurity. And as I promised in my last video that I'm coming with a new video series, and this video series is completely based on the cybersecurity interview questions. Will help you to prepare on different topics. I have a number of topics with me, and if you have a topic in your mind, you can share the topic with me and I will come with a video on that. You can also buy my course and can buy my book with the links provided in the later slides. I hope you will like. If you like it, just please share with your friends and colleagues. And I wish all the best for your upcoming cybersecurity interviews. Take care. Learn cybersecurity with Vikram Saini. In this video, we will prepare the interview questions for the DNS cache poisoning attack. Question number 1. What is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name Service. The server installed with the DNS service is also called as a DNS server, and it resolves a domain name to IP address and an IP address to domain name. Generally, when a client machine sends a UDP DNS request to a DNS server and gets the IP address of the requested domain or vice versa. Question number 2. What is DNS cache poisoning attack? When a user opens a domain name like facebook.com in a browser, the device sends a DNS request to the DNS server. The DNS server will do all the work to check if the information is available. If required, it connect with the root DNS server to get the information about the authoritative DNS server for that domain and request for the associated IP address in the DNS entries. In a DNS cache poisoning attack, attacker manipulates or injects the malformed entries in the DNS server or the cache of a specific domain name. When any machine sends a DNS request for the domain, DNS server provides the malicious IP address instead of providing the correct IP address of the domain. Question number 3. What protocol is used for sending a DNS request? A computer machine uses a UDP protocol by default for sending any DNS request, but if the packet size is more than 512 bytes, it uses TCP protocol. What is NX domain? It is a type of DNS message sent by the DNS server for the domain request for which they didn't find any associated entries. Question number 5. What is a record means? This is a record used for the IP version 4 address in the domain name server. Question number 6. What is the record type used for IP version 6 address? Quad A. Question number 7. How to find DNS cache information in a Windows-based machine? The DNS cache information can be checked in a Windows-based machine through command prompt by running a command ipconfig /display DNS. Question number 8. What is the host file in Windows Unix-based OS? It is a local file exists in the OS for the mapping of the IP address to a domain name. Attacker can also add fake entries in the machine in the same file to redirect users towards a malicious website on an IP address. Question number 9. What will be your response on the detection of a DNS cache poisoning attack? On detection of this attack, we should ensure the provided response is mapped with the requested query and it is not hosting any bad malicious code, which can be checked easily by visiting any online sandbox or threat intelligence platform like VirusTotal, Aniran, etc. Question number 10. How DNS cache poisoning attacks can be prevented? By implementing DNSSEC, it's a feature of the domain name system that authenticates response to the domain name lookups. If you are interested to enroll in my online video course for SOC and SIEM, or if you want to buy my book Hunt the Hackers, a complete SOC Analyst guide, you can visit my website www.vikramsaini.in for more details. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel for my upcoming new videos.